How to add music in PowerDirector. Now, in order to add music in your clips in PowerDirector, just simply open a project that you have, or you can create a new edit if you want to. After going into this section, you will get to see this option of audio directly. Tap into the audio, and after that you will get this option of music. Select music. Now, after going in here, you will get to see a lot of sections to select music. You can select AI generated music from here if you want to, or you can select mixtapes of Meta, or you can select free, or you can add the music from Google Drive. Just simply select whichever option fits you. For example, I want to add some free piano music in here, and in order to add the music, you just simply need to download the music at very first. And after downloading the music, it might take a little bit of time. And after downloading, just simply tap to this plus icon and it will be added to your video when the process ends. And the music will be added into your video. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.